Hi guys, welcome to your channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So you are wondering how this was done? Yeah, me too. So today is going to be quick and I won't take too long of your time, guys. So today we're discussing about this strategy. This strategy is mainly available for VIX and then the bomb and crash. Okay, this strategy is one of the strategies that I do use. You can see how this was done from a $300 account into a uh $11,000 plus. Is not a joke. And if you are new to the Java channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime you post a strategy, you guys should be aware. Also, guys, do something with for account management. So no matter how small or how big your equity is, just contact us for account management. Then we discuss about the terms, and then if you agree with the terms, then we are going to manage your accounts for you probably. So stay tuned, and then let's get started. So the best part is that make sure you watch this video to the end. Once you watch the video to the end and you understand this strategy, just go and backtest it and start using it to make crazy money with the derived market. So right here you can see we have a trade here on VIX 75, and which is a sniper trade. So I just want to quickly go trades for you guys. You can see I have a sniper entries which is around this area right here. We took this trade right here. So that's when we took this trade. You can see we have multiple rejection right at that same area before the market start pushing to the top side. And we have a trade on boom trade as well. You can see it's also a sniper entry, which you can see right here. We took that trade from that area, and we are expected to close our position right at this area. So this is where we are expected to close our market, although the market almost hit our TP, but eventually it's spiked to the top side, and we are okay with this because we know that it's going to break this area. You should let know that the market is going to break this area. So with that being said, so now let me show you guys the setting for the strategy before jumping in. How you guys are going to make use of the strategy. The first thing you want to do is go to this icon right here. Remember, we are going to be adding one indicator right in our main chart, so we'll be adding it together. So let us add the indicator which is going to be in our main chart. Click on the F plus right here. So you are seeing the F plus. Click on it and then add your moving average up. So the parameters for the moving average is going to be 40, applied close, and the period is simple. So it's going to be applied close, and the style I'm going to be using this black color. So when set up like this and click on done, you are good to go. So we have the indicator right in our main chart. Now the next indicator which is going to be in our indicator in the one is going to be the two indicator, which is the MACD and the moving average. So let me delete the top so you can start from scratch. Click on the F plus. So when you click on the F plus, search for your MACD, which you are seeing right here. This is the MACD right here. Now click on the MACD, and then there is the parameters for the MACD. The first EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, and the MACD EMA is 9. Apply to close, and style just choose any color of your desire. So click on done when you are done with that. The next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be now indicator in the one. Click on the F plus and then search for your moving average, which we are seeing right here. Here is the moving average. Click on the moving average, and then now the parameters for the moving average, the period is going to be 1, not 40. It's going to be 1. Method shift is 0. The method is simply applied to first indicator data. Sorry guys. And then the color I'm going to be using the black color. So we set up like this, and click on done, and you are right here. You are setting up all the settings you need for the strategy. You can see with this entry right here, we have this first one. If we are aiming for to take this trade, so we have this first move right here, which you can see this first move almost touching the moving average, the second one and the third one. So now first thing first, show you guys how you are going to make use of the strategy, so you guys won't miss anything about the strategy. So now checking our indicator window one right here, this is what we need to see. Firstly, we need to see a crossover needs to happen right here. Now we are aiming to go for a sell when on you see the crossover happens right here, which means that the MACD is the MACD line crossing above the MACD volume, which means that this blue line right here needs to cross above the volume. Above the volume, when crossing, you can see we have this cross right here. So when crosses that, when you are going to expect to, you are going to aim for a sell. No, we are on 15-minute time frame. You can do strategy on 5, 15, and the 1 hour time frame. Probably you can also use it on 1 minute time frame, but that 1 minute time frame is going to be for scalping. Now, all these criteria have been met right here now. In the one, then we want to check this moving average right here. We need to see that the moving average is moving, the price is moving below the moving average, not above it, moving below the moving average. Now, let's say we want to go for a buy now. Now, this is what we need to see. You need to see that. Sorry. So, you need to see this. We need to see the moving average right here. You need to see this. Sorry, let me delete it up here. Now, we need to see this crossover happen right here, which means that the MACD volume needs to change its direction, which means the blue line needs to cross above, needs to cross below it, which means that the MACD volume needs to cross above the blue line right here. When this crossover happens, you need to see the price going above the moving average. When you saw that, that's when you are going to be expected to go for a buy position. So that is that on the 15 time frame. Now for the 1 minute time frame, you know this is going to be for scalping. I know most of us like scalping right here, so this is what you are expected to see right here. First thing you need to see is seeing this right here, seeing the price moving below the moving average. And when you see that, also you need to make sure that you always see the MACD volume going below the blue line right here, which means that the price needs to go below the moving average and the MACD volume needs to go below the blue line right here. That is when you are going to be expected to scalp, maybe take 5 to 10 candles, and then you are out of the market. Now for a sell trade right here, for a buy to catch spike right here, so we want to see a changes of direction right here, which means that the MACD volume need to go above the blue line right here, and we also want to see the price going above the moving average. When it goes above it like this one right here, now upon the price coming back to the moving average, touching the moving average, that's when you want to open your position, and then you catch your spike, and then you are out of the market. Okay, so as simple as that, the strategy is for scalping, and then we want to go trade for some hours or days. Now for the VIX, it's also a similar perspective right here. It's also similar to the one. So which means that you want to go for a buy. You want to go for a buy, expecting to see the price moving above it. When the price touching the moving average, then you want to stay tuned for going for a buy. And you also want to see this right here. You want to see that this MACD, the MACD volume going above the blue line right here. That's what you need to make sure that you see this confirmation before taking any entries. For a sell trade, you want to see this moving average going above the price, means that the price needs to go below, and the MACD volume needs to go below the blue line right here. So that is the KPIs and the conditions that need to be met before taking entries with this strategy. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. I told you that this video, I don't want it to be long, because we are already running to a $12,000 plus profit. So if you're new to your channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, enter our posting strategy. You guys should be able to. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Hope me for the best, guys. Bye.